Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create synchronous web conference sessions. So first thing we're going to do is go to Content, and we're going to go down to Add a Module, and we're going to name it Module 1. There we have it, Module 1. So from this module we can add existing activities. And we're going to go down to External Learning Tools. So from here, we're going to scroll down to whichever tool you might have available. So for me, that would be Blackboard Collaborate. And from here, we're just going to click that link. See, we have Create Session as an available option. So we're going to do that. And I'm going to call this session 1. And save. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and join session. Now, since this is a D2L tutorial and not a BB Collaborate tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and stop that here, but from here you have all of this to work with all of the usual Blackboard Collaborate tools.